So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can schedule posts on LinkedIn. Now, I grew my audience to over 20,000 followers, and I have, in the last 365 days, gotten over 650,000 impressions on LinkedIn. And my number one secret is by scheduling content consistently. Now, if you post once a week, if you post once a month, or like most people, even just once a quarter, you're not going to get these results. It's all about consistency. But you don't want to be on LinkedIn all day, right? And not every day. So that's why you work in advance and you schedule your posts. So first way to schedule posts is very, very simple. You can do it on LinkedIn itself. I actually don't recommend doing this because it's very hard to keep track of what you've actually scheduled, let alone have any sort of strategy or clear analytics. But I'm going to show it to you anyway. You can simply add your post, type in your text. For now, I'll just say hello. Click on schedule for later. And then you can choose the date and time. So let's say for tomorrow at 4, you can confirm, and then you can click schedule, and now your post is scheduled. However, it disappeared. So to find it again, you have to click on post again, and then in the bottom right, you can see it. And then you can see on scheduled, and you can see a little snippet, and you can delete it. So very simple, very basic way of doing it. I actually do not recommend doing it this way, but still I wanted to show you. Now, the second way you can schedule posts on LinkedIn is actually by using a content tool like Postiv.ai. Now, Postiv.ai is the best AI ghostwriter out there. And before you say, whoa, AI, LinkedIn is full of AI slop, well, this tool is different. So what it does is it helps you schedule your posts in a nice calendar format together with your team. So you can post not only on your own account, but also on your company page account, but also on your team members' accounts, all in a single platform. And you can coordinate between you, the AI, and your team members to keep consistent and keep on posting. So this is just a quick glimpse into our schedule that we have here. But as you can see, it's very easy to just click on add post. You can write a post here. You can select your profiles. For example, this is me, or my co-founder. You can do whatever you want. And then also it has a feature where you can have a comment plug. So if you want to add a link to your post, but you do not want your reach to go down, you can actually have it automatically comment after, let's say 15 minutes, and you can add the link to your website there without impacting your reach, while still giving people an easy way to click on the link. So this is a very good feature that you do not have in the native scheduler. As well as Postiv helps you with creating content. So if you don't know what to post, you can check out the video. I will put it down in the description below on how to stay consistent on LinkedIn and how to know what to post about. So this is the second way. So the third way you can schedule content on LinkedIn is actually by using Claude or ChatGPT together with the Postiv MCP. Now, if you connect them together, you can give Claude or ChatGPT superpowers. So they can now schedule on LinkedIn, see your analytics, see what's trending on LinkedIn, even see the comments you get, all straight from Claude. So I'm just going to prompt it to make a Postiv draft and use the Postiv MCP to make the draft. And then I'll show you actually how easy it is to just schedule it straight from Claude. All right, and as you can see, we now get this preview inside of Claude. It looks exactly like a LinkedIn post. And this wasn't there before. You can get this by installing the Postiv MCP. Obviously it has a very basic post. And in real life, what makes it so great is that you can actually be chatting to Claude, doing your work, and it sparks an idea for a post. And you can be like, hey, let's turn this into a LinkedIn post right away, or at least a draft, and you add it to your Postiv account so you can really easily stay consistent. Now, since this video is about scheduling, we wrote a post, but how to then actually schedule it. Let's say, let's schedule it tomorrow at 4 p.m. And now it's done. So I can actually show you to confirm. If I go to the calendar again, give it a second to load up. And you can see tomorrow at 4 p.m. there's the post we just made. So that's the video. These are 3 ways you can schedule LinkedIn posts. Now, if you want more guides and help on how to stay consistent with creating the content, make sure to check the video I put in the description down below. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will see you all in the next video.